Hello and welcome back to the Joe the Auto Guy YouTube channel. Essentially I've been gone for a while, which I posted in my last video. The last video you saw the shop being a mess. I still got some mess to clean up, but I spent some time cleaning and organizing, making it so it's actually usable in here. So, yeah. But the point of today's video is this guy. The Daytona 3-ton Super Duty jack. Now, while you guys might be saying this is Harbor Freight, no big deal, this is seriously, you work in a full-time shop, this is a great jack. Got it on sale for $179 with a coupon. You can't beat this. It's just so, in my eyes, it's probably your best bet. Professional or not. I mean, it's cheap enough, and it works. It has a high lift point, and it's rapid pump. It's all around great. So let's get it out of the box and open up this beast. Alright, comes with a jack handle with pad right there. Easy. You know, when you gotta separate these two, you want to use this as a cheater bar. You don't have a bolt pin or anything, it's quick connect. So easy storage if you don't need to travel. That right there, awesome. Daytona logo right on the pad. Owner's manual. She's not super light. Not some crazy aluminum jack. It's heavy duty steel. So quick key features is the handle itself is a two-piece with a quick connect. You can easily undo that. Put it on. Then the handle itself is also a quick connect. Instead of having a bolt or something, all you do is pull back in a pin, lift the handle out. It's that easy. You know, you can store it away under a bench or anything. Need to put it back in. Quick action, and then you can move it along. We have, premium piston seals, special high performance hydraulic oil, extreme temperatures, so it can handle really cold temperatures. Internal magnet system to keep, any debris or anything that falls off, into that piston, clean so it doesn't tear up the seals. And then, has the rapid pump using the double piston, puts it up right away without much work. And then, obviously, the low profile design. So the one thing that they don't say on the box that is fantastic is you have the normal grease zerk here for, the center shaft. But then even the bearings are greasable. Try to get that a little better. But the wheels actually have real bearings. They're not just cast iron wheels onto a shaft. There's a real bearing in there, and it has greasable zerks on the wheels. The back, real bearings as well. You have grease zerk in the shaft back here on each side for the bushings, and overall it's it's one of the easiest jacks I've ever had to move. Like I said, it's just so easy to move around. No effort. Even when you have a load on it, you can see it running around in a circle. It's heavy, but with the bearings and everything, true lightweight design. We're going to take old 2-tonny here, which I have maintenance. I do lube the wheels, I do everything. We get both the slide rollers straight. But I'm just going to kick it. You know, it does move. Now we're doing the Daytona. I'll just show you how easy it moves. That's with a box stopping it. Again, I'll do that again. Alright, hit my garage door. It's got rapid pump. Like I said, you don't need to do much. And it goes way up. You can see I'm not even bending down that far to move it up. Granted, there's no load on it. Easy back down, universal joint, just like normal. Easy. So now this is a pretty standard, heavier crossover SUV. It's not a big truck or anything, but you just see, line up the lift support, quick action. Quick action already on the vehicle. I'm going to use little to no effort on the handle. And just easily. And now, I don't recommend doing this, but say you had to move the back of a truck, you know, it is supporting the weight of the vehicle. I still turn it. You know, the bearings still move if you need it to. Really controllable down, do fast, low. So serving, you know, a technician like me, I'm in here probably daily doing this stuff. Even if you're not doing it daily, for the price, you might as well buy this one. It's not the highest lifting one they have. It's 23 and, you know, 1/8 inches, but that's still pretty high. It's not shallow by any means. Their 4-ton one goes up to 28, I believe. But the 4-ton one is shorter, it doesn't have the low profile design, it doesn't have all these features. But literally, for $179, this is steel, high strength, everything you're going to want out of it. I couldn't say more good things about it. If you need a new jack, upgrade to this one. Don't buy a $300, $400 jack, get this one. Until somebody comes up with something that's this good, it's compared to the Snap-on one. Snap-on one wants $800 for their comparative design. But seriously, it's, you know, I've already owned one of these. This is new to this shop, but the Piston Broke Garage already has one. You know, Brett's got it. We've been using it. I moved an entire RSX body back on 2 wheels, lifted it up, and was able to turn this thing and maneuver it and just get the car out of there. I've lifted my truck with it, slid the rear end over, all this stuff. This is the one you're going to want. So, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked the review. Go get it. I'll link in the description. You know, they even sell it on Amazon, but Harbor Freight Tools, you can order them, get free shipping on most of their stuff if you're not in or near a Harbor Freight Tools. But yeah, they have these ones in stock for a reason, because they sell and they're good. So, buy this one. See you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.